Threads has added a media tab to your profile, and I will show you exactly how it works, how to use it, and how it helps keep your profile organized. All right, so what is the media tab? Basically, Threads has introduced a dedicated tab on your profile that shows only your posts that include media. That's your photos and videos. It's like a mini gallery right in your profile. No more scrolling through all your posts to find that one aesthetic photo or funny video you shared 3 weeks ago. So to find it, open up the Threads app and go to your profile. At the top, just below your bio, you'll see a few tabs. Tap the one that says Media. All your visual posts will be listed there in order. Clean, simple, and super scrollable. So why does this matter? Well, if you're someone who shares content on the regular, or you're building a personal brand, this makes your media way easier to manage. People can quickly browse through your visual content without getting lost in all text posts. It's also great for curating your vibe, showing off your creative side, or just making things tidy. Here are a few tips to really make the most of the new media tab. Post consistently with quality visuals to make your media grid pop. Use the tagging feature to connect posts to people, and keep your captions short and engaging. Remember, your photo does most of the talking here, and if you're a creator, this is a perfect way to let new visitors to your profile instantly see your best work. And that's it, a quick walkthrough of the new media tab on Threads. It's a simple update, but honestly, it makes the app feel more polished and user-friendly. I'm here for it. If this helped you out, feel free to give it a and subscribe if you're into honest, no fuss tutorials like this.